currency pairs is simply, trading one currency against the other.
Currency pairs are basically the world currency.
In our last video, we talked about assets and what they are, and in this video, we'll be delving into currency pairs and be shedding more light into it. Before we get into the thick of things, I am Kolade Daniel, and with me here is Shola, as we attempt to explain to you what currency pairs are all about and if this type of asset trading is the right fit for you. So without wasting much time, let's go into currency pairs. Currency pairs is simply, trading one currency against the other. The quoted, the first currency is usually, the base currency against,
the
quoted currency. So Shola, can you shed more light on what currency pairs are and using PolariumBroker's platform as a reference?
Okay. Currency pairs are basically the world currency, each country. Like in Nigeria, we use Naira. So if we want to compare Naira with United States dollar, then it will be USD against NGN, which is our currency.
Yeah.
On our screen here, we'll see Euro, EUR against USD.
Yeah.
If we open this new asset and we'll come to options here, we see a list of currencies under digital. This is Euro USD, this is Euro JPY, this is GBP against USD. Comparison is basically about you comparing a currency value against the other.
Yeah.
As you can see here, you see this shows how many USD dollar can be converted into £1 sterling. So it's telling us that 1.329225 USD dollar it's needed to get 1 Great Britain pounds. That's basically what currency pairs are.
Fair enough. And just to add to what he has said, PolariumBroker makes it very simple because at any point in time, if you come to the different, currency pairs available, you can see the current profit percentage
that Polarium is
offering at that given time, and going from common knowledge, Euro against the USD is usually the most commonly traded currency pair in the world, as well as USD against Japanese yen. And the good thing about currency pairs, though, is that it is actually pretty straightforward because you have information all over. But the downside, can you just tell us the downside?
Well, you need to know what is happening in the world. You need to know what is happening in US, what SEC is planning to do on a day, or what announcement is Donald Trump is going to make that may affect or impact the value of USD. So you need to put that into consideration before you decide that it is this particular currency pair you want to trade with.
Yeah, fair enough. Basically, what it's saying in a nutshell is that one single policy can alter the value of a particular currency. A central bank of a particular country can make one announcement and the price can either, go up or go down depending on that policy and whether to affect the demand, or the supply as implied. So just like we've said, currency pairs, is choosing the value of one currency against the other. It is usually the go-to option when it comes to assets, especially for new beginners. But you can easily make a lot of profit, but you should be one that it is very, very volatile, meaning there are no fixed values. It can be 87% now, tomorrow it can drop to 80, tomorrow it can go to 90. It is very volatile and things can change very quickly. In fact, as at the first PolariumBroker video we recorded, Euro to USD was recording at what?
1.19, 1.98, 1.2.
Yeah.
But right now, it is 1.157.
Exactly.
So in the past couple of days, United States dollar has not been performing well against all other currencies.
Yeah, exactly. So you can see that just in the space of couple days, the value for Euro against the USD has dropped which goes with what I was saying, that this type of asset is very volatile. So you should be someone that is very current with news, you know what is going on, and you can make correct speculations, and you can also make use of your Google as well, because all this information are at our fingertips. Anyways, that is all you need to know about currency pairs, and you should already know if this type of asset will work for you. My name is Kolade and this is Shola. If you've not subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that, because in our subsequent videos we'll be talking about even more asset types. And until then, bye for now.